Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to let you guys know how it's going 1 month after owning my Libidex catsuit, and I'll give you guys pros, cons, regrets, tips and tricks and what I use, etc, etc. So let's get into it. First thing, the material has stayed pretty much the same since I have purchased it, which is great. I have been washing it in barely lukewarm water, like rinsing it. Do not use any oils, any harmful anything on it. So basically you have to really take care of these because the oils can break down the material. It's a lot of effort. So I've just been like rinsing mine with barely lukewarm water. It seems to be staying more or less the same. I am going to try and look around to see if there is any proper cleansers for it that won't break it down. So let me know if anyone knows of any. Regrets. I regret not getting one with a zipper. This is neck entry. So basically you have to fit your whole oneself through the neck. But it does look seamless. So I love the look of this, however I feel like also going to the toilet as well, you just cannot, which is another regret. So I would get one with a zip, maybe like a back zip that comes all the way around, so it's just all in one. Hopefully they do all in ones and not just like a back and another zip. I think that is really my only regret. Now, to put this on, the first time I tried baby powder and it was a complete and utter mess. Now you had to get one that had no perfumes and no additives in it, so basically just plain powder. So I did have plain powder anyways, so that was handy, but it was so messy and it takes away the shine, so it's so hard to get the shine back, especially if you don't have shine spray, which I've heard of, which I am looking into. But to get the shine on this right now, I have been using silicone lube. So I'm pretty sure it has to be silicone lube because the water, let me show you guys the lube that I actually bought for this. So this is not an advert for them, by the way, but if they want to, we can be partners. So I have been using Easy Glide silicone lubricant. So this is, I've seen a lot of really good reviews on this one and online, and everyone has said you need a silicone lube without any additives, and this was very highly recommended. So I did only get a 150ml bottle just to try it out, and I'd say I've used about 50ml just to get it on, and what was left on my hands after getting it on has just been put on the suit to give it that shine. Now, as I say, I'm looking into shine spray to give it like that proper wet shiny look. Yeah. Now I did get a towel as well, which was great because it is all the way down to the bottom of my arms. Yeah. I will say the only thing I don't like about it is getting into it, but getting out of it is personally harder. So if anyone has any tips or tricks on how to do that, or I could just save up and get one with a zip, which I think I will do. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I do like that it has stayed black, like it's not faded, nothing's, it's still super stretchy, there's no marks on it, and like obviously I have nails, quite long nails, but I do make sure I'm very careful whenever I'm putting it on that I'm using like my knuckles, yeah, or like this part of my finger and not the nails. So that does make it 10 times harder. I feel like I need to maybe cut back on the long nails, if I want to be wearing these more often. But yeah, personally, now I've had it for like a month now, and I would honestly rate it, now I'm pretty sure this was around the £300 mark, which is pretty good, because it is, I do think it is worth it if you are into this kind of style. I'm gonna rate it out of 10. I would say I would just give it a 9 out of 10. The only reason is the zip. That's it. Like, if I had a zip or something to make it easier to put on and off and go to the toilet while wearing it, like, that is the biggest issue, is not getting to go to the toilet. It would be a 10 out of 10 if it had a zip. So I'm just gonna save up and get one with a zip. But it looks fab, it feels fab, and it is comfortable to wear. It's not like digging in. Like, here does dig in a little bit, but I just try and keep my arms straight. I don't know. There, like a mirror effect to keep up with the shiny look, but I don't think a heel suits the Catwoman cosplay vibe. However, these I think do. These are just my leather, like, platform boots. So they're very chunky, but they're easier to run in and stuff, which Catwoman would be doing. So these would also look... Alright guys, so here's a quick outfit check. Now, I did do my toenails so that I look good for you. So I paired it with my black sparkly heels because this is giving shiny, wet, and I thought those give a little bit of an oomph. You don't want to do like a matte shoe, you're gonna ruin it. So these, and they have like silver on the heel to give it more reflective vibes, because that's what we're getting with the catsuit. That's also what we want down here. I really like this as an outfit. I really do. Now, I wouldn't wear my hair like this. See, no zip. I would like to wear my hair in a high ponytail, but the lube is going to stick to my hair, and I've just washed my hair and straightened it, so I am not taking my hair down. It's Patreon/ASMR Aoife. Also, check out my Linktree for more links, and let me know what you guys think of this. Also, recommend me good brands of shine spray, and if there's anything you can use to clean these. Something that's not going to break down the actual suit. I don't want to harm it because it's going so well so far. Yeah. So that's it for this. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to come back for more videos.